Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SSL Time. Today I will show you how to use Android emulator LDPlayer. I am going to a browser and write LD now click LDPlayer outside. Download LDPlayer emulator on PC. Now you look at this, it's downloading. Start. Now open and yes, press install.
Surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
Now this player is downloaded and complete installed. That's it, open. Now I show display. Emulator is open. Now I am showing how to set up this emulator.
You've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast and pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost,
Now you show it look like a mobile phone.
They said, be me. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Hidden is
When you're ready to set up your emulator, then you going to system apps, you download. Otherwise you use another policy, such as going to browser and write any app's name and then download it and open there. Now I am download these apps.
until you break down.
Now I am showing how to add photo. That's why I am going to my folders and photos. Click drag and drop. And to show this photo is uploaded in this bar.
Until you break down.
Now download my apps, then select these apps and drag and drop. Look at this apps is downloaded, installed. Look. Thank you for watching my video. If you like these videos and if you need a lot of videos, then press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and comments what types of video we are needed. Thank you so much.